Good morning, my dear students. Okay, we are going through our lesson number 16, the topic of light. And so far, what we have studied is, we have not studied actually, we have revised what we have learned or what we have studied in 6th and 7th. Laws of reflection, periscope. Yes, kaleidoscope is the addition, that is different thing. Okay, then how an image is formed in a plane mirror and what are the characteristics of the image formed in a plane mirror. Okay, only thing is we have revised but in contrast with the laws of reflection, that we have tried to understand in details how this happens. How is the actual working of the periscope? Okay, and multiple images and kaleidoscope, that is a bit addition to what we had revised. Okay, we are not going through all these. We are not going to again revise in nutshell and all that. Let's start our new topic, that is human eye. The human eye. I have given you the simple inside structure of the simplified form के अंदर जो है I have tried to tell you what is the structure, internal structure of the eye, and we will discuss the different parts, what is their function, and what is the working of the eye. Working of the eye. क्या बच्चों? Eye, human eye. Yes, you know our human body is having 5 sense organs. What are these? Sense of smell, sense of touch, sense of hearing, sense of sight, like this. Okay. What is the 5th one? Sense of hearing, sense of smell, sense of sight, hearing, sight, smell, taste. Yes, taste we have forgotten. We have not. Yes. And moreover, these days, sense of taste and sense of smell, they were very familiar these days because of the COVID-19. If you have lost the sense of smell and the sense of taste, that means you are suffering from, you are infected with, though asymptomatic, that is different, but you are infected with COVID-19 virus. So, what I am doing at present, as and when I am sanitizing my hands, I am just smelling. Or rather, when you are getting up in the morning and taking a wash, or if you are using talcum powder, if you can have the fragrance of that talcum powder, it's well and good. You are okay. There is no COVID-19 near to you. That is paka. That is paka. Okay. Chalo, anyhow, coming to the human eye. Human eye is one of the sense organs. And it is a very delicate sense organ which enables us to see. बच्चों, क्या कभी आपने ये सोचा है अगर हम देख नहीं पाते तो क्या होता? Yes, each and every organ is very important. But sense of sight, all sense organs are very important. But sense of sight is very, very important. Because your movements are totally dispensed with. Without, you cannot see. You cannot see the beautiful world in which you have come. God has sent you in this world, and if you are unable to see this beautiful world, life is no hell. Life is hell. Okay? So, eyes are, human eyes are one of the sensitive organs. Okay? Simple structure if we try to see. First of all is the outer cornea. This is the cornea of the eye. And what is the cornea? Cornea is a transparent structure which is somewhat bulging out. थोड़ा आपने देखा ये बाहर की तरफ निकला हुआ है. It is transparent and it bulges out. And what are the main functions of this cornea? It protects your eyes. Because being outer one, it protects your eyes and somewhat it helps in the focusing of the image. When you are seeing something, first of all, when the light after reflection or from the illuminated source हमने पढ़ा ना इस चैप्टर में, हाउ वी आर एबल टू सी when the light enter our eyes from a reflected object or from a illuminated source or a luminous source. Okay, so this cornea, it protects the eye, inner eye also, and also helps in the focusing of the image on the retina. Second is bachcho, second part of the eye is the iris. Yes, iris is the colored part of the eye which gives the color to your eyes. कहते हैं ना बच्चों, the most beautiful eyes in the world किसकी है मालूम है आपको? ऐश्वर्या राय. Green eyes, blue eyes, very few green eyes. बिल्ली आंखें बोलते हैं ना, blondie eyes. And generally it is grayish black, or you can say brownish black is the general color of the iris. And iris is that part of the eye which give colors to your eye. आपके जो आंखों को कलर मिलता है वो किससे मिलता है? आयरिस से मिलता है. किससे मिलता है? आयरिस से मिलता है. And yes, iris, इसके अंदर क्या बच्चों? In between the iris there is a small slit, hole is there, to which we call pupil. हम क्या बोलते हैं? Pupil. Okay. And iris is that part, the main function is iris is that part which controls the entrance of light in the eye. How much light should go inside, it is controlled by this colored part of the eye, that is iris. And pupil, the size of the pupil can be adjusted according to the intensity of the light. That also we will study when we will go to the working of the eye. Okay? Yes. Then comes retina. Yes, the inner part. This is the retina. And on retina, image is formed by this eye lens. Okay? इस रेटिना से पहले बच्चों हो गया आई लेंस. वही मैं पहुंच गया, मैंने कहा इमेज बन गई भाई, और अभी लेंस तो बीच में आया ही नहीं. ओके, आई लेंस. मोस्ट ब्यूटी इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ द ह्यूमन आई इज द लेंस which is present inside the eye is a living lens. Is made up of living cells, jelly-like substance, living cells. Light can pass through all these living cells. And this is a convex lens. In 7th we have studied what is a convex lens. Convex lens is always a converging, which जो आपकी light rays को इकट्ठा करता है. And concave lens is a diverging, diverts apart. Okay? So, eye lens, it is a living cell and it is a convex or the converging lens held by सिलियरी मसल्स. ये जो सिलियरी मसल्स हैं इसके द्वारा ये लटक रहा है आईज के बीच में. सिलियरी मसल्स का भी अपना फंक्शन है. दैट आल्सो वी विल डिस्कस व्हेन वी विल डिस्कस द वर्किंग ऑफ द आई. ओके, नाउ कम द रेटिना. एंड दिस जो आई लेंस है बच्चों, इट इज अ फ्लेक्सिबल वन मींस इट कैन एडजस्ट इट्स कर्वेचर. इसका फोकल लेंथ बढ़ सकता है, कम हो सकता है, depending upon the requirement, whether we are seeing a far away object or we are going to see a near object. वो किससे होता है? सिलियरी मसल्स होता है. वर्किंग में हम पढ़ेंगे. ओके, सो इट कैन चेंज इट्स फोकल लेंथ डिपेंडिंग अपॉन which object our eye is seeing, a distance object or a near object. Now, retina, it is a screen on which the image is formed. This is a screen. Retina, okay, screen on which image is formed, and it is connected to the optic nerve. Sorry बच्चों, यहां मैं इसको लेबल करना भूल गया. This is the optic nerve. Optic nerve, and this optic nerve sends electrical signals to the brain. ठीक है. Now this retina is supplied, it is having light sensitive cells. इसमें अंदर क्या होते हैं बच्चों? light sensitive cells are present on the retina, which are rods and cones. And through these light sensitive cells, electrical signals are sent to the optical nerve, and through optical nerve, through these electrical signals, the image is transferred to what part of the body? Brain. The image is transferred to, sent to, through this optical nerve to the brain. Okay? चलिए, rods and cones. These are the light sensitive cells. Light sensitive cells present in the retina. Rods and cones. Rods are sensitive to dim light. That means in dim light, if you are able to see, it is due to the presence of rod cells. Their structure is like rod. बड़ी लंबी सी होती है, rod like structure है उनकी. ठीक है? And they are sensitive to dim light. Dim light में हम insensitive cells की वजह से देख पाते हैं. But one thing is there, when we see in the dim light, जब हम dim light में देखते हैं बच्चों, इमेज कैसी नजर आती है? कलरफुल नजर आती है या धुंधली नजर आती है, ब्लैकिश नजर आती है. कहने का मतलब क्या है? They cannot distinguish between the different colors. But cones, yes, cone cells which are present, which are light sensitive cells present on the retina, they are sensitive to bright light, and they provide sensation of colors. अब दिन के टाइम में बच्चों आप कोई भी चीज देखते हैं, it seems colorful to you. Grass is green, orange है कलर उसका, and mango is yellowish, guava is upper part is green. कहने का मतलब क्या है? जो कलर्स की सेंसेशन है, our eyes getting with the help of cones, which are the light sensitive cells present on the retina. Okay. Now, if we come to the working of the eye. Now, when we are watching, or we can say when we want to see an object or anything, it is an object for you, definitely. When the lights come, it enters through the cornea, then through the pupil, passes through the lens, and makes an image on the retina. Now see, if bright light is there, now what I have told you, iris controls the amount of light, quantity of light which should go inside. How it does? आपने देखा होगा बच्चों, कभी अगर आपने whether you have seen a movie in a cinema hall, आजकल PVR बोलते हैं जिन्हें. If you are a bit late, when you are going from a bright light inside the cinema hall, nothing is visible. वो जो gate man होता है ना, he comes with a torch and all that and shows you the way and path. But after a few minutes, what happens is, you are able to see who is sitting by your side, who is sitting in front of you or back में. यानी कहने का मतलब क्या है? आपको सारा हाल दिखाई देना शुरू होता है, जबकि जब आप एंटर करते हैं तो क्या होता है? आपको बिल्कुल ही धुंधला सा, because there is very dim light. Very dim light is there in the cinema hall. Okay, how it happens? This pupil, जो adjustment है pupil की, क्या है बच्चों? iris क्या करता है? Increases the or decreases the size of the pupil depending upon the intensity of the light. Suppose we are going toward a very bright light. So we want to see toward the sun. हम अपनी आंखें झपकाते हैं, बंद सी होती हैं. Reason being, intensity of the light is quite high. That much light should not enter our eyes. It may cause injury to the retina. Okay, so adjustment of the pupil takes some time. कहने का मतलब क्या है? जब हम ब्राइट लाइट से गए, द साइज ऑफ द pupil was very small, and when we are entering the cinema hall, dim light is there. Though our pupil adjust according to that, it takes some time to enlarge in size or increase the size of the pupil. So after some time we are able to see. Okay. Then image is formed. And this lens also, yes. Lens also, what it is? हमने लेंस में क्या पढ़ा था? It is a convex lens, a converging lens held by ciliary muscles, and it is a flexible lens. Yes, flexible means it can change its curvature. ये मोटा भी हो सकता है, रहेगा convex lens ही. It will not change to concave. But that means ये सेंटर से थोड़ा कम मोटा भी हो सकता है, ज्यादा मोटा भी हो सकता है. कहने का मतलब क्या हुआ? इन elongated position is like this, और जब वो छोटा है तो थोड़ा मोटा है. अब क्या होगा बच्चों? बोथ आर कन्वेक्स लेंस. इसका जो फोकल लेंथ है वो कम होगा, इसका जो फोकल लेंथ है वो ज्यादा होगा. फोकल लेंथ ज्यादा होगा. So depending upon which object we are seeing, the focal length of the lens is adjusted with the help of ciliary muscles. अब ciliary muscles में बच्चों क्या है? अगर ciliary muscles if they relax मतलब इकट्ठी होती हैं. If they relax, that means वो इकट्ठी होती हैं. What will happen to this flexible lens? It will get elongated. It will get elongated. ये बड़ी हो जाएगा. Focal length will change. Focal length will be more. यानी जब हम दूर की चीज किसी को देख रहे होते हैं, with the help of the ciliary muscles relax, and you can say it becomes less thicker in between, in the middle. The eye lens gets elongated. वो बड़ा हो जाता है. And when we are going to see a very near object, near point पे हम देखना चाहते हैं कोई, what happens is these ciliary muscles they extend. वो बड़ी होती हैं, लंबी होती हैं. इससे क्या होगा? This flexible lens will become more thicker. It will become more thicker. The focal length will change. This is the only difference between the living cell. It is a living cell. Reason being, glass cell, it is having a fixed focal length. If we take you can say convex lens, glass convex lens, its focal length is fixed. You cannot change its focal length according to your wish and will. But here it is. So that purpose क्या है बच्चों इस flexible lens का? Far away चीज देखनी है, near by किसी चीज को आपने ऑब्जेक्ट को देखना है. Your image is formed on the retina. So that these images, there are light sensitive cells. They transfer this image by what? Electrical signal to the optical nerve, and through this optical nerve it goes to the brain, and brain enables you to see. But one thing is there, when I am time and again using, it is a convex lens, it is a converging lens. Converging lens. हमने क्या पढ़ा था बच्चों सहमत में? Convex or a converging lens. When the image is formed, it is always real and inverted. उल्टी होती है, सिर नीचे टांगे ऊपर, मुंडी नीचे टांगे ऊपर. So, no, but when we see any object, we always find that we are always seeing any object, any person, anything. It is always direct in our mind. Then what happens is, yes, when these electrical impulses, they are transferred to the brain interprets these electrical signals and उसको सीधी करता है, उस पिक्चर को सीधा भी करता है. That is how the objects and the things or the other persons, their image formed in our brain is always correct. Now, more than this सिलियरी मसल्स फंक्शन मालूम पड़ गया, आइज का मालूम पड़ गया, इट गिव्स कलर टू द आई, इट control the intensity of the light which should enter by increasing or decreasing the size of the pupil and all that. There is a blind spot. Jहाँ retina and optic nerve they meet, point. Blind spot at the junction of retina and optic nerve. The beauty of this is, beauty क्या बच्चों एक defect है ये. It is not supplied with light sensitive cells. कहने का मतलब क्या है, इस पॉइंट पे इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, ब्लाइंड स्पॉट. क्या बोलते हैं, ब्लाइंड स्पॉट. दिस पॉइंट ब्लाइंड स्पॉट वेयर द रेड ऑप्टिक नर्व स्टार्ट्स एंड द रेटिना, उसका जो जंक्शन है जहां वो मिलते हैं, दिस पॉइंट इज देयर, इट इज नोन एज द ब्लाइंड स्पॉट, विच इज नोन एज द ब्लाइंड स्पॉट. ब्लाइंड मतलब ब्लाइंड मालूम है आपको, अंधा, दिखाई ना देना. रीजन क्या है उसका, this spot is not having light sensitive cells, neither rods nor cones. ना तो bright light ना ही dim light. We are unable to see in any light. बच्चों क्या है, if the eye of any person is focusing or making a image on this blind spot, he cannot see that object. हम बोलते हैं ना, जैसे बोलते हैं सेंस ऑफ हियरिंग है, कोई पैदा होता है बच्चा, उसे बचपन से ही सुनाई नहीं देता है, इज डेफ एंड डम्ब सिंस बर्थ. लाइकवाइज अंधापन भी जब बर्थ से होता है तो वो डिफेक्ट ठीक नहीं हो पाता. हम नेक्स्ट लेसन में, कंक्लूडिंग लेसन में हम पढ़ेंगे डिफेक्ट्स ऑफ आइज, myopia, hypermetropia, farsightedness, nearsightedness and all that. These defects by using a appropriate lens can be set right. But this जो बचपन से अंधापन है, if the image is being formed at the blind spot, nobody can set right. It is not correctable. This defect of the eye is not correctable. Now, you can also see blind spot is there in each and every eye. But thank God, in our eyes, the image is not being formed on the blind spot, it is being formed on the retina. So, blind spot का अगर आपने एक्टिविटी करनी है बच्चों, आपकी बुक के अंदर बड़ी अच्छी एक्टिविटी दी हुई है. Take a piece of paper. Okay? Draw a cross and a round black spot. Minimum distance in these two spots should be around 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. Now, क्या करना है आपको? Even you can try with your book. It is there pretty well in your book also. Or you can have this and you can show it to others. A beautiful trick. क्या बच्चों? You keep it in front of you. You will be able to see both the spots. This cross also, red cross wala cross, and this black spot. Now, close your left eye and try to see the what? Cross, which is on the left side. Right side से आपने left side में देखना है, किसको देखना है? Cross को देखना है. And try to bring this bit closer to your eye. At a particular distance, now here, I am unable to see the spot. कहने का मतलब क्या है? जब आप अपनी लेफ्ट आई को बंद करके राइट आई से इस स्पॉट पे देख रहे हैं, एट फर्स्ट व्हेन यू आर कीपिंग इट अ बिट अवे फ्रॉम योर आईज, both the eyes, you have closed your left eye and you are seeing the cross with the help of right eye. Concentrate on this. इसको आप भूल जाइए कि यह आपको दिख रहा है. दोनों स्पॉट नजर आएंगे आपको. Both this cross also and black spot you will be able to see with your right eye. But you have to concentrate on this spot. इसको ही देखना आप लगातार कॉन्टिन्यूसली एंड ट्राई टू ब्रिंग क्लोजर टू योर आई. यानी अपने आंख के पास लाइए. आफ्टर फ्यू डिस्टेंस दिस स्पॉट विल डिसअपियर. दैट इज द ब्लाइंड स्पॉट ऑफ योर आई. यानी कहने का मतलब क्या है? पहले आपको ये नजर आ रहा था, बट नाउ इट्स इमेज इज बीइंग फॉर्म्ड इन योर आई एट दिस स्पॉट, ब्लाइंड स्पॉट पे। कहने का मतलब जब आप धीरे धीरे इसको पास ला रहे हैं, एट अ सर्टेन डिस्टेंस दिस डॉट डिसअपियर्स। व्हाई? बिकॉज द इमेज ऑफ दिस डॉट इज नाउ बीइंग फॉर्म्ड ऑन द ब्लाइंड स्पॉट। आप इसको रिवर्स भी कर सकते हैं। इंस्टेड ऑफ क्लोजिंग योर लेफ्ट आई, क्लोज योर राइट आई and see the dot with your left eye. That's all. And see the dot with your left eye. When you bring this paper closer to your eye at certain distance, now this cross will disappear. Earlier dot has disappeared, now cross will disappear. कहने का मतलब क्या है? पहले दोनों दिखाई दे रहे थे. You are able to see both the spot, this cross as well as the black dot. But afterwards, either this or this, depending upon which eye you are closing and on what spot you are focusing. If you are focusing with your right eye on the cross, dot will disappear, and if you are focusing with your left eye on the dot, cross will disappear at a certain distance. कहने का मतलब क्या? At that particular distance, either the image of the cross or the dot is being formed at your blind spot, which is insensitive. It is not having the light sensitive cells, and electrical signals are not transferred to the brain through this optical nerve. When the electrical signals are not transferred to the brain, you will not be able to see that particular object or the thing. Okay, so this is all about the eye. क्या बच्चों? इट्स वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स वन. हर क्लासेस में आप डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. फॉर यू अप टू द 8th स्टैंडर्ड, सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर, सिंपल पार्ट्स एंड ऑल दैट, एंड देन द सिंपल वे आई हैव टोल्ड यू द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द आई. फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द आई. नाउ आई हैव बीन टेलिंग यू इन last to last lesson also, we will be doing activity. Which activity? We will have a parrot, pic of parrot and the case, and we will find both the pics are on the opposite side of the paper, but we will find that parrot is inside the case. वो पिंजरे में बंद है. कैसे? It is all because of the persistence of vision. Persistence. What is persistence? क्या है बच्चों? कहने का मतलब क्या है? Retention. It is the beauty of our eye that the image formed on the retina, it retains or persists on retina for a fraction of seconds. For a fraction of a second. कहने का मतलब क्या है? It remains there for 1/16th part of a second on your retina. और आपका कहने का मतलब क्या? Brain. You are able to see the picture even if the object has disappeared from the view. यानी कहने का मतलब क्या है? ये चीज अब आप देख रहे हैं. Just try it. I'm taking away quickly from the what I'm doing. मैं एकदम से इसको कैचिंग एरिया ऑफ द सेल फोन लेके जा रहा हूं. क्विक. What you are doing now? What your eye is doing? It is able to see the spots, both the spots, continuously. So if we want to define the persistence of vision, what is that? It is the ability of the eye to continue to see the image for a very short duration, even after the object has disappeared from the view. यानी कि आंख की एबिलिटी है ये टू कंटिन्यू टू सी द इमेज. जो इमेज बनती है आंख के अंदर फॉर ए वेरी शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन, इवन इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट हैज बीन removed. That is how we are able to see the movie in a picture. In fact, क्या है बच्चों? It appears that the actor is walking, he is dancing, he is singing and all that. His lips are working, he is moving his eyes. When the fight is there between the villain and the hero, dishum dishum, हाथ चलते हुए दिखाई देते हैं. बट एक्चुअल में क्या है बच्चों? What is being shown on the screen of the theater hall, cinema hall, they are the still pictures. Still picture कहने का मतलब क्या है? अगर एक सेकंड में, in 1 second, if on the screen more than 16 pictures are being projected or thrown, फेंकी जाती हैं, प्रोजेक्ट की जाती हैं, what will happen? अब 1/16 पार्ट वो इमेज हमारे दिमाग में, हमारे ब्रेन में, हमारे रेटिना में उसकी इमेज रिटेन रहती है. और फास्टर देन दैट है बच्चों क्या है? पहले वाली इमेज हमारे ब्रेन से वॉश आउट नहीं हुई होती, सेकंड इमेज आ जाती है, सेकंड वाली रिमूव नहीं होती, थर्ड आ जाती है. सपोज वी आर हैविंग a number of still movie like this, then 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 this. That means we are moving our hand like this, but we are having more than 20 pictures. Still movies. If these pictures are projected one after the other on the screen, क्या होता था बच्चों पहले? अब तो डिजिटल हो गया बच्चों, हाई टेक हो गया, आपके सीडीज डीवीडीज आ गई. अर्लियर दिस क्या होता था बच्चों? फिल्म रोल होते थे. साइड में क्या है बच्चों इसके? यहां पे these are what? इसमें होल्स हैं फिल्म के अंदर. वो जो आपकी जो होती है ना, वो क्या कहते हैं उसको, वो व्हील, साइड व्हील्स, ये जो आपके होल्स हैं उसमें अटक जाते हैं. एंड यू कैन रोल. अब मैं इसको रोल करना चाहूं, द होल ऑफ द फिल्म विल गो इनसाइड. आई एम जस्ट रोलिंग इट. It is going inside. Okay, it is going inside. Yes, it has gone almost. The whole of the film has gone inside. रोल हो गया. रोलर्स होते थे बच्चों, बड़े बड़े बिग बिग रोल्स. उसको प्रोजेक्टर के द्वारा, वो प्रोजेक्टर की जो व्हील था, दैट यूज्ड टू रोटेट एट ए कांस्टेंट स्पीड. उससे क्या होता था बच्चों? Because of these holes, this film goes on rewinding, wind and rewind. उधर रिवाइंड हो रही है, इधर से रिवाइंड हो रही है. ठीक है? तो क्या होता था? Through the projector, through lenses, still films inside this roll, they were projected on the screen of the cinema hall, theater, cinema hall, and approximately 24 pictures were projected in 1 second. What will happen? More than 16 हो गया तो क्या होगा? पहले वाली पिक्चर आपके दिमाग में रिटेन रहेगी, दूसरे वाली तीसरे से पहले रिटेन रहेगी. तो क्या होगा? You see as the hero is doing actions, heroine is doing action, villain is doing action. So this is how we could see. Our reason is persistence of vision. Persistence of vision. The ability of the eye to continue to see the image for a very short duration, even after the object has disappeared from the view. If faster than 16 times the skin, यानी कि 16 times से ज्यादा तो होना ही चाहिए. But विजिबिलिटी, प्रॉपर विजिबिलिटी के लिए इन सिनेमा हॉल्स स्टिल पिक्चर्स आर प्रोजेक्टेड अबाउट 24 पिक्चर्स पर सेकेंड. सिनेमा हॉल प्रोजेक्टेड एट द रेट ऑफ अबाउट 24 स्टिल पिक्चर्स पर सेकेंड, बट इन डिफरेंट एक्शंस, सो इट अपीयर्स. ओके, सो वी कैन डू द एक्टिविटी. परसिस्टेंस ऑफ विजन की एक्टिविटी हम कर सकते हैं. Yes, I have made this activity material for you. What is this, bachcho? It is a case. यानी पिंजरा है एक. And what is this? This is parrot. Now parrot is visible to you. Cage is visible to you. Cage does not have any parrot inside. And here the parrot is free. It is not inside the cage. Suppose now if I rotate it. मैं इसको rotate करता हूं. And if I am in a position. One thing is there. If I am in a position to rotate it. ऐसे ऐसे करने में. More than 16 times a second. मैं उसको rotate कर पाता हूं. What will happen? The picture of the case which was in your brain has not disappeared. The picture of this will come. उससे क्या होगा बच्चों? The parrot will seems to be inside the case. यानी कहने का मतलब क्या आप केस देख रहे थे, यह भी आपके माइंड से डिसअपियर नहीं हुआ, परसिस्ट कर रहा है आपको इमेज उसका, वो डिसअपियर नहीं हुआ है. तोता आ गया, तोता भी डिसअपियर नहीं हुआ, पिंजरा आ गया, पिंजरा डिसअपियर नहीं हुआ, तोता आ गया. एंड इट इज अ कॉन्टिन्यूअस लाइक दिस. सी इट अपीयर्स टू यू that the parrot is inside the cage. Parrot is inside the cage. Parrot is inside the cage. Very beautiful. Reason is the image. We are continuously seeing the parrot and the cage. But parrot and cage, they are changing intermittently more than 16 times per second. So the image of the cage persists in our eyes. And the parrot of the image of the parrot, that persists in our eyes. यानी दोनों की इमेज हमारे परसिस्ट करती है. कब पैरट आ गया, कब केज आ गया, हम डिफरेंशिएट ही नहीं कर पाते. So this is a beautiful example of what? घर में करके देखना बच्चों, थोड़ा पेपर बड़ा ले लेना. Make this and do this activity. You will enjoy it. You will enjoy it. Okay. Now, coming to the last point of today's discussion. That is range of vision of human eye. Yes. What is the range? How far we can see? How far we can see? बच्चों इसे far point बोलते हैं. Far point दूर तक देख पाना. And the vision, you can say this range क्या है बच्चों इसकी? the range of vision of a far point. दूर की चीज को बच्चों हम क्या है? it is infinity. बहुत दूर तक देख पाते हैं. एक वो छोटा सा जोक भी है ना बच्चों, किसी बच्चे की आंख जो है ना वो क्या कहते हैं, डिफेक्ट वो हम पढ़ेंगे, माइटोपिया, हाइपरमेट्रोपिया. उसे क्लास में बोर्ड नजर नहीं आता था. तो रेगुलर मेडिकल हेल्थ चेकअप स्कूल्स में होता रहता है. आई एम ऑल्सो डूइंग, वी आर हैविंग दिस आई टेस्टिंग सिस्टम इन आवर लैब ऑल्सो. सो द टीचर एडवाइज्ड दैट यू शुड गो एंड कंसल्ट ए ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजिस्ट. अपने आईज के डॉक्टर को दिखाइए, शायद आपके चश्मा लगने वाला है. तो लड़का घर जाके अपने बोलता ना, हम हरियाणा में तो जाट बड़े अक्लमंद होते हैं. तो वो घर जाके बोलता है, पापा आज सर ने मेरे को बोला है आपकी आईसाइट में प्रॉब्लम है, डॉक्टर के पास जाइए और आपके चश्मा लगने वाला है. कहता अच्छा क्यों? कहता मेरे को ना बोर्ड दिखाई नहीं देता क्लास से. कहता अच्छा वो दूर क्या है? वो देखो तो देखो, ऊपर देख के तो क्या है? कहता सूरज. अरे सुसरा तना सूरज नजर आ रहा है तो इसका मतलब क्या है? तेरी आईसाइट बिल्कुल ठीक कैसे? कहने का मतलब क्या है? इफ यू आर एबल टू सी द सन विच इज फार अवे, द स्पीड ऑफ द लाइट इज 3 लाख किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड एंड इट रीचेज इन अप्रोक्सीमेटली इन 8 मिनट्स. करोड़ों माइल्स दूर है भाई, वो नजर आता है, बोर्ड नजर नहीं आता. चल कोई तेरी आंखें खराब नहीं है. तो कहने का मतलब क्या है? इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. Yes, our far point vision is infinity, but how far clearly or distinctively we are able to see? How much clearly, distinctly we are able to see? That is not there. He might be just able to see board is there, something is written, but what is written, he may not be. So if that problem is with you people, bachcho, if you are sitting in a classroom, unable to see the board, you cannot visualize what is written on the board from a distance of 10-12 feet, please go to the doctor and get yourself checked up. चश्मा कहता है तो चश्मा लगवाइए, ठीक है. So, but yes, for far point, our vision is infinity, and for the near point, in नजदीक से, near point से बच्चों जब हम देखते हैं, what is the vision? Vision is approximately 25 centimeters. कहने का मतलब क्या है? Distinctively and clearly, जब पढ़ रहे होते हैं, अगर आपकी बुक का डिस्टेंस आपकी विजन से अप्रोक्सीमेटली 25 सेंटीमीटर है, ये ज्यादा दूर भी नहीं है, नजदीक भी नहीं है, आंखों के पास भी नहीं है, तभी तो बच्चों का ऑलवेज एडवाइस, कई बार आप क्लास में बैठे जब पढ़ रहे होते हैं ना, खो जाते हैं, बुक के अंदर घुस जाते हैं. बुक के अंदर घुसना भी नहीं है और रिलैक्स मूड में पीछे भी नहीं होना है. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन योर आईज एंड द बुक व्हेन यू आर स्टडीइंग should be around not more than 1 feet. 1 feet में 30 centimeters होते हैं. 25 centimeters is the appropriate and the almost exact distance from where, यानी 25 मीटर से, इससे अगर डिस्टेंस कम होता है, स्ट्रेस होता है हमारी आईज में. अगर 25 सेंटीमीटर से दूर है, हम पढ़ तो सकते हैं, but it puts stains on your eyes and there might appear a defect in your eyes. So range of the vision for the human eye is, far point is infinity, near point of the distinct vision is about 25 centimeter. Okay. So this is all about today's lesson. Let's try to finish. And yes, I am happy to tell you that in next lesson we will be in a position to complete this light topic. And after this topic, there is our solar system, 17th chapter, that we will skip for a time being. We will first finish the chapter number 18, air and the water pollution. Okay, it will be finished in 3-4 lessons. So, if at all there are vacations, winter vacations, we will be happy that only one chapter is left. Only one chapter is left. And if there are no winter vacations, if the study continues, I hope we will be able to complete all the 18 lessons before 30 or by 31st of December. Okay, enjoy, relax. Any problem, free to contact. Thank you.